So most people solve this question like 8 minus 2 is equal to 6, right? Then again 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Now 6 times 6 is equal to 36. But here this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. So PEMDAS, according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, and multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. And last priority is addition and subtraction, and also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Now let's solve this problem correctly. So in this question, first we have to solve parentheses. So first we have to solve this parentheses. So is equal to 8 minus 2 multiply 8 minus 2 is equal to 6, right? Now here we have one subtraction and here we have one multiplication. So according to PEMDAS, first priority is multiplication. So is equal to 8 minus, or 2 multiply 6 is equal to 12. So now 8 minus 12 is equal to minus 4. So the correct answer is minus 4. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Directly Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.